rainwater harvesting system, we have adopted this model to explain that rainwater can be fertilized, purified and later used for irrigation purposes and etc. When the rain falls from the roof from houses in this way, it can be collected in tanks and later can be in the process of sedimentation, which consists the layers of bricks, sand and water etc. Small stones, large stones can be set from where the suspended material will be removed from the water and later get settled down due to the force of gravity. Later it can be collected in tanks by which from the tanks it can be sent to agriculture and many other purposes. It can be also used for household purposes with the help of borewell. This process is very low cost and does not require costly purification for treatment processes. Thank you.
Agriculture means cultivation of land. As is an agricultural country, more than 2/3 of the people are farmers. Growing crops is their main livelihood. Agriculture provides food for people and raw materials for industries. Now we are going to explain things required to cultivate the land. First, we require efficient water resources. The main source of water is rainwater. Farmers mainly depend on rainwater for irrigating the fields. Rainwater is collected in rivers, lakes, streams, etc. There are different types of wells. This is ordinary well, this is borewell and this is rotating well. Dams are built across the rivers. They store water for domestic use and also for irrigation. Small channels are dug to take water from the rivers to the fields. These are called canals. For cultivating land, different types of tools are required. There are different types of tools. A poor farmer uses a wooden plough to plough the field. Wooden plough is completely made of wood. Improvised plough is more better than wooden plough. Improvised plough is made of metal. It digs deeper into soil, it makes grooves and after sowing seeds, it also covers the seeds. Also covers the grooves. Leveler is a heavy wooden plank. It is used to level the surface of the soil. Seed drill is a multi-purpose tool. It plows the field, seeds fall into soil at equal distances. It also is used to put fertile near the roots of small plants. Wooden plank is used to break the mud rocks because if these mud rocks are not broken, small plants cannot grow properly and seeds cannot sprout. Harrow is used to remove the weeds present in the field. It is also used to level the wet field before transplantation. A tractor is a modern equipment. It is very useful. A tractor or pair of wheels help the farmer to use these implements. Before starting the cultivation process, farmer first select the soil. There are different types of soil in India. There are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, sandy soil, calcareous soil, etc. After selecting land, farmers start cleaning their fields and start plowing the field. Here is a lady, she is removing all the hard rocks present in the field and the farmer is plowing the field by using bills and wooden plough. After plowing the field, farmer starts sowing the seeds. This is an ordinary method of sowing seeds. We can also use seed drill to sow seeds. For good yield of crop, fertilizers are used. Fertilizers are of two types, natural fertilizers and artificial fertilizers. Natural fertilizers consist of garbage, waste materials, cow dung, straw, etc. Artificial fertilizers are formed by chemicals. These are used by farmers with the guidance of government agricultural officers. With the help of reaping hook, farmers reap the crop. This process is known as harvesting. Here are the men. These men are protecting the crop from birds and animals. These men are collecting the grains in the bags. If there is a small produce of crop, farmers store the crops in houses. Here is a farmer. He is carrying the bags of grains to his home. We can store in the form of puris and also in the beans and in the pots in houses. We can store under the ground and also in the walls in which pots are placed. Maharashtra people follow this type of storage. Maharashtra houses are built by mud. If there is a large produce of crop, farmers take the crops to the godowns. Here is a farmer. He is carrying the bags of grains to the godowns. Godowns are the places where large amount of grains are stored. Here is a godown. For the windows of the godown, netted cloth is carved. This cloth protects the grains from birds. Farmers keep pesticides and insecticides so that no insect can enter and eat away the crops. The development of science has led to The development of science has led to a rapid growth in population. Due to the usage of better seeds and scientific methods is known as Green Revolution. We should be proud of our great Indian scientist, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. He is responsible for implementing a new program in India known as Green Revolution. He accomplished difficult process in potato and in jute. From these, we understood that farmer is doing very hard work for our country. He is known as backbone of our country. In India, there is a slogan that Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Soldier protect the country and farmer grow crops for our country. Thank you.
What's your name?
Advika.
And which school you are from?
Gurudatta.
Oh, and what's your ambition?
To become an IPS officer.
IPS?
Yes.
Wow, wonderful. God bless you. And you'll be definitely a great IPS officer. And you have any questions?